All right, so we're going to keep going. So number 8, the chemist needs to simplify the expression go below to calculate a value for an experiment. So again, now notice this is a little bit different. It's an x value, but we can still deal with it. So I'm going to distribute that x times 2. So this is going to give me 3x plus 2x. Then x times negative y is going to give me negative xy. Then we're going to plus 4xy. Now notice we have like terms here, and we have these two like terms here and here. So this is going to become 5x minus, or not minus, plus 3xy. That's all we're doing on that one. It's that easy. Question number 9. We've got some tickets being sold. All we're really doing here is, again, just like we did with number 8, we're simplifying our expression. So we're going to combine like terms. So we've got 1p, 2p, and 2p. So that's going to be 4p plus 5. That's going to be my answer. Number 10, again, we're still simplifying the expression. So this is going to be 3x minus 5. This is going to be distributed, so negative 7x. This is going to be distributed, so that's going to be minus 2. Combine like terms. So this is going to become negative, or rather 3 minus 7 is going to give me negative 4x. And then negative 5 minus 2 is going to give me negative 7. Number 11, all we're doing here is, again, just like we did above, just be careful. This becomes 2y minus 7 minus y plus, because a negative times a negative is a positive 3. So again, we're going to combine like terms. So this just becomes y. And then minus 7 minus 3 is going to give me negative 4. Number 12, all we're doing again is simplifying and combining like terms. So this is going to be 10x, and then 3 times 5 is going to give me negative 15x. And then negative 3 times 2, positive 2 is going to give me negative 6. Combine like terms. So 10 minus 15 is going to give me negative 5x minus 6. Number 13, we're going to solve for y equals 6. Again, we're not solving for we're solving for the variable and not the solution. So I want to isolate y. I'm going to treat the 3x as a constant. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. That cancels. That gives me negative 4y is equal to negative 3x plus 6 divide by, now I'm dividing every term by negative 4. So this is going to become y is equal to positive 3/4 x. Then that's going to be minus, now 6/4, that reduces to 3/2, because 2 goes into 6 3 times and 2 goes into 4 2 times. So that is that answer fully simplified. Number 14, we've got Abby. She's paying a flat rate. Our neighbor's lawn. We're given the equation. We want to solve it in terms of h. So this is kind of similar to what we just did above in question number 13. I want to isolate my variable. So I have my equation m is equal to 8 plus 2h. I want to get to h. So I'm going to treat the 8 as a constant, just like it is. So subtract 8. So that's going to be m minus 8, and that's going to be equal to 2h. We're then going to divide by 2. So h is going to be equal to m over 8 divided by 2. Or you can say m over 2 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4 is equal to h. Those are two equivalent statements. Last questions. It says know how to solve for L and length and perimeter. Length and width for perimeter. Okay, so I have perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So I'm going to go ahead and divide out the 2. So if I divide out that 2, this is going to come P over 2 is equal to L plus W. Now, right there, this step, you should be able to get to this step at least. And depending on which one you want to solve for, you're going to subtract. So if I want to solve for W, I'm going to subtract L. So W is going to be equal to P over 2 minus L. If I want to subtract from L, that'd be starting from the same place. So P over 2 is equal to L plus W. If I want to solve for L, I'm going to subtract the W instead. So that would become P over 2 minus W is equal to L. Okay? And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up the review guide for the Common Assessment 1. Hopefully that helps you up or helps you out, and you will get 100 on the Common Assessment. All right, I will see y'all next time. Bye.